continues on your biggest platform of Pimswa 104.7 2026 FIFA World Cup and Ghana yeti and competition no and I say a campaign no yene Panama and airball yabosiman Edionisia 26 minutes at the BMO field Toronto or Canada still Obia and Shobina Ghana Manchester Ernest Niama or the Bonama Kamaluddin lovely turn from the Atalanta player now also the pass now to Benkumswa Gideon Mensah on the Bonepa or Sanso de Bonabenechi to Kamaluddin with trouble on the 10 onto the right hand side. Lovely flick by Marvin Sinaya. Bonas and Swabedino. Now Sinaya play with the Bonamano. Now Marvin Sinaya or the Bona Coachru. The Bonama Jonas Ejete. Ejete the Bonama Jerome Poku. Or Sanso the Bonapre. Jonas Ejete Pepa Pepani Juba. Or the passing at now Marvin Sinaya. On the Bonepa. Obetuma Chiana Debi. Want to be the Pamira Betren Weshia. And to me for Bonanko. Ama Ene Caesar Blackman. Wababe with the foul at the Amatalanta. What we found the Atalanta editor. Omine ofia obi a serious ana joke crack ono so serious maybe na me nti ono kware wa serious ya to us na Panama omine de one ba Prantia ya vente Carlos Harvey opia e de bona ka koma Prantia ya vente ene Giovanni Ramos ono so de bona banka krakra o probe de Panama no wasan so ibona banechi Giovanni Ramos obane Paul e de ma ene bobo from Academia Puerto watach bona e de ma Jose Cadoba ono so Norwich City watach bona to na Prantia vente Andres Andrade Sansuri Koma Kadoba and the Panama Fonamasa pressure be any almost so hey before the game no more Casaso Musuro Ghana and of course Omoba Park no so much they are not under any pressure Omato Mobuasen and the game a flow Papa Pani Juma now Andres Andrade on the Kitabona for Panama was Sansua Ibona Konechi Jose Cadoba Watatibona Giovanni Ramos Ghana Manton Swashi Yama Panama Omunya spaces now we're trouble 10 Chimo Cecilio Wataman want to me uncle Amabona the Ghana goalkeeper Lawrence Atizigi ne Tinobonechi was some Memranta Monkoe Wopiabona Jonas Ejete to Marvin Sinaya Ghana Nedibone Bagana Kitabona our FM passe Jonas Ejete or the Bonama Jerome Poku now Jerome Sulibona to Benkumso Gideon Mensah on the Kitabona with Chabona 10 Chimo now Kamaldin Nasudabi Panama Fana Pimbona Piebona properly cleared Bonakodi captain Jordan Ayu Jordan still in possession surrounded by 3 players one manager Tatibona Benechi now Bonabedia Prantia, you haven't said Jerome to Gideon Mensah, back to Elisha Usu, Elisha Bonibodima, AJ Oxe, our France, one name captain, Elisha Usu, born in France, name were decided to be represented Ghana at international level. Pepa Pepani Juma for Ghana, Air pass on Jerome Poku, we trouble on 10 Chimo, now Ernest Niama, Asukwa Disiano, we would have boxed him out, now so that the man Kwani Pami Robert Pimna Jabora, now lovely 10, number 7 Shetta, a brand of Luis Rodriguez, what Bonama Christian Harvey, ne pass on to Nyanko, now Caleb Irenchi for Ghana, Yasuri Mwato, Revisibona Foul, Yamo and Frontier Panama. Refaje foul Edia Panama for Ghana Manteno, or Machasa Momi or Mohonka Krakra into the game now, Mian credit game start here now, not Ghana off. No more bear the last 5 minutes. Most of boys in energy national say but not rough. Do come be friendly games na ya nyambo I'm a boys in match fitness no our from kakra and no dear or is affect here in the early stages of the game rough. Bear the last 5 minutes as a Ghana man international say here warm me home kakra game no more.
And one expect to say on with me I warm myself into the game and quite almost fast warm myself no. Because this is the moment that he hit up and he hit up no each individual piano and one home then say obetimi aboana Ghana it's be the needed results and I think say the player when your red card club after yellow card after the yellow card no I say wa from kakra but I think say look like so from too much because we need him very much kai say it me anya due to visa issues so all shots na all bossy midfield no na me pay and I can't buy so me who is a bit but I'm hoping say on also ever warming itself now it's me a good moment at the amount the Black Stars of Ghana right.
Yes, I know any senior update in Rafael Kofi Atakra and I will tell in Kanye to us on form I'm alive on Open Show 104.7. Your friend Abderrahim Etesen. I am your commentator Abu Simano Edia Sambako. 31 minutes of action played at the BMO Field Toronto, Canada. So now Obian should be Ghana, should be Panama, or should be Marvin Senaya, or solid or the Bonama Niama, or Lusubana Ghana Mantano, Caleb Irentini Abre, Naso Senaya once again, where you want to coach in the Bonsamademano, coach Avance Carlos Cruz, or Prodia Branch Avance, Marvin Senaya and Tosona, Branch Avance Andres Andrade, on the Kitabono, now Andres Andrade, on the Bonepa, one who saw you want to coach now Bonabedio say Kadoba, Watani Kamakama, or Sansubana to Bekumso, Andres Andrade, Wopia Bonamana Branch, where Jose Luis Rodriguez, want to me for Bona Kwama and Neno, Bona Coco Trashano. Bona Coco Trashano, and you try Nero to the Ghana Branch Event, Caesar Blackman, what to Bona Kama, Eddie Bona Kokoma, and then yes, Kwame and
my uncle here for some bit me follow Jumedele live on YouTube, I'm sure radio on YouTube in Tino. Join a live on YouTube, CC, and also follow commentary. No, I'm only saying for a follow. And Obama say like my enough foul comments, no, to us, my back in Kainina, and so the amount flow from you, Rahim.
And I send you update at your messages now. I still welcome 0596 259444 0596 259444 and I say 0560 180880 0560 180880 Fabra Naya Kinkani Kama Famama Wine Winnie Ghana and Panama Oscola and it's a coach in the selection now on an air to the sofa player bear and I impress Ghana modern monochrano or say funding in Abra Udi baby Uti Fakaho Obi Bia Bessa Chiano and also Fakao Yabekin Kane Kama at Amamo Yabosimane Edria Samiansa 33 minutes Ghana and Shobi Panama and Shobi 2026 FIFA World Cup a long ball a chance of Panama Omu play Aquatiashio a chance Revision Watone Boise Christian Martinez no Dawati Sobia Oyo Usebi Nemuno Refinam Funo Monso Wasore Gina Aferie game Robertima Boyan to us now Ghana Manchana Gideon Mensa Watachabo Massa Christian Martinez no what dining to a blondin to know Oyo workaholic was also community born the Panama now Bona Benfica from Carlos Harvey what touchable beautiful from the captain Joel Baranisas what touchable to Caesar Blackman Obetima Chena now Caesar Blackman or the Bona Benechi Andres Andrade for Panama or cross the ball goalkeeper and Satizigi Wabe Palibon Nemuno Yako crash Ghana players Miru boxing more Jerome Poku hey ya crash Miru and then Panama player back show Muntem and Omumiru crash here. Now let's send a Jerome Henena clearly. It looks like he's in so much pain. From Reverend Glenn Niebeck from Sweden. Wabenwa Onoswa Totoniama crossing in here. Yes, incident in the Osha Brantiano. Just another way to some player back Carlos Harvey. Ono and a certain yes. Christian Martinez in the earlier Bowen and upper penalty. No, yes, Bowen and an upper penalty now. Jerome Pokudin in Sabo Bikra and a piano two baby crana just artizigi a piano cover bond way earlier and I know AC will give him a temporary up a sunset Ghana players Meruda form goalkeeper Lawrence Artizigi and a center back against Jerome Poku a body Mate Ewa Teki and my Bobo cover the Istanbul Basak Seher and a Jerome Poku to my former player Fulham. And it's any update here. And on a former Brekum Chelsea player, you haven't said Jonas Ejechete. I'm going to pair in the art of defense. Jonas, if we Brekum Chelsea, Okobo Edema FC Basel. I was just in Switzerland and while joining Wolfsburg, Germany. Samsung goalkeeper Lawrence Artizigi Eda Soda from grow from this year. Kosi Sibu, warm up Samsung and a Hartford goalkeeper Benjamin Asari SM. Now also warm up. No, Lawrence Artizigi Asoreti Bibia. HSO Betima to a game so yes, and Cheba to us Yabosimane Ediasanum 35 minutes of action and on NHS Yabo so far and near the Ghana and Shobi Panama almost end to be Shobi now we message on as I say Mami Shana just a me message and from through kama and mama na Monso ono actually na dream also any coach and yatran and away or say I'm Edmond from Sawaba. In my opinion, I wish Jordan should have started from the bench, but also well the coach knows best. Ghana 4, Panama 0. Also then go Black Stars around messenger Edmond from Panama and also Eddie Aberwese Akwesi entry from Trede Ghana 2 Panama 1 and all messenger Akwesi entry and so Eddie Free Trede Abreye we answer the lady about say good evening sir, my name is Cardi B from Tano Odumase. Ghana will win by 3-1 inshallah. Kadibi ate yensa aka message now kama ebin so ba meba na mabekle enso area furo edi amamo na mause Benji from Mfensi Sewia Benji enso edi ni message na aba meshe na makle ni na edi amamo onso onfa odi ama na number ni biem no 0596 259444 0596 259444 na say 0560 180880 0560 180880 and trust where Ame Murillo or the bona show to the captain of Frontier. Your access and made away Yoel Barcinas or the bona to a cross goalkeeper Tizigi once again. Wabe Pile Bona born say Panama and Sulabe over the body goes. Hey, and go for the ceremony brain and Yazam Ketua number 13 Shetta. A brand event said Giovanni Ramos defender no on the free to the boss. I follow up shot no. National rebound on Sorokra crossing in here from Christian Martinez. Atizigi Eden is up a bobo anymore. And follow kindly the Giovanni Ramos and a bobo on the first row. And any send update in the Bono a goal kicker and a Ghana Yabo Ediotia Panama 2026 FIFA World Cup and a Ghana Yabo in game Edikayan first game of the tournament now. And a Guswa Eto Ghana and Yasem Ketwa Yabesimani Ediasanso 37 minutes enter Yedo Fedikan Ebebana here still Ghana and Shebi Panama and Shebi goalkeeper Lawrence Atizigi which are on Jordan and Flick Obienwo Ama Ose Kadoba where you wanna play now Caleb Irenchi or the Nitia Bomo say back to sender Kadoba also say back to sender BM Ghana Mountain so Twaso Obudu Mutibu Bome Treko Yemna Panyai Sana game the flow now Bonabedia Frontier eventually say Luis Rodriguez or the Bonama Caesar Blackman now so Marvin Senaya hey where you Bonama Bonaco trashing it through or Matuboni Tetem so now say Kadoba or the Bonama Giovanni Ramos Panama Fonikita Bonama Fomua Enero Mupia Bonaco di Benkumso Andres Andrade to the goalkeeper Orlando Mosquera on the Tirabonici with Chabone Tente and so the Bonachimuna Sudabi Abrantana Mabona Bonsana Gideon Mensa was spread the Bona backwards to the goalkeeper Lawrence Atizigi or the Bonamani defender Jonas Echete on the Shodaboni Bonemuka Krakra with Chabone Tente to the Bonachimo Ghana Mantel with me Fana Debi and as Niaman to me Amabonas and Swabedi Panama Mantero now Caesar Blackman or the Bonama Andres Andrade with Piabonato now Giovanni Ramos the Venezuelan based defender or the Bonaba center circle Carlos Harvey Watachama the captain Yoel Barcinas back to Carlos Harvey Pepa Pepani Juma for Panama Harvey Sanso the Boni Coachri Bonacodi Kadoba or Sanso the Bona Senfi Fuakama Carlos Harvey on the Bonne ball Elma Minnesota that's a clever pass a chance for Panama goalkeeper Lawrence Atizigi to the rescue Bon and say yo was Sanso across the Bonne chance Ghana Mantana Ibona Pie Jerome Poko Ibono Bono and say Massa Panama Omodio good Ghana so pressure upon pressure Panama for Nesebo now Christian Martinez Obetuma Chana wa manager cross now so Ghana Mantero Mousa Jerome Poku Debi where Elisha Ousu Wabobo ni se tumni bone fetiro Jordan Demirico Betumana now so Giovanni Ramos and Tume Ama Enero Wabobo no does so to keep that one in play so eventually Amade Bonako trust and I'm a Bonnie through Edema on my Ghana Bonnie through look at that pass from Abrantia Vance Carlos Harvey. That was a decent pass to Abrantia. Yevance Amir Murillo. Nankosha so be drew and Tamati against Soban and Yamian. He could have done better with this one. Want to me and Gada Bonnie and Ghana eventually the most important thing and it's a young consider young trust where Yabosimane Edianai 40 minutes of action played at the BMO field, your venue and center of attraction at Kasimanum 5 and in your referee so now of Kanye de Bonavia, Ma and Mosia Mama of Munya Game Division, Munko YouTube, Cecia, yes, live commentary on Pimso Radio, Udru YouTuber, or our search engine, now I search up Pimso Radio, ever pop it up, Ubenya live commentary, and it's Jumedia Biswasha, Kama, Udru like if our comment now, to an office, now Obianso and Yabi and quality commentary of the 2026 World Cup now, Unyani Bia, at your biggest platform, Pimso 104.7. And trust now Panama for the Bonepa Andres Andrade Chabani Tente Naso Jose Luis Rodriguez want to me Marvin Senaya and Claboni Bonas and Swabi Panama Caesar Blackman or the Bonacomani captain Yoel Barcinas to Andres Andrade to Caesar Blackman Watachi Bonato now Bonacodi Jose Luis Rodriguez Obetumachana Jose Rodriguez Watachi Bonana Suda Bidabi Abranda Venta Caesar Blackman one idea in him into Bonaco Trash and a goal kick Bonacco Trust and Caesar Blackman, a Bonebo, our Bulgaria, Edema Bobekura, a Slovan Bratislava, and no goalkeeper, if I say Abranche Vente Yaya Toure and any new coach Sanchen Cheye and a Slovan Bratislava and also say Yaya Toure Baba or new coach Lawrence Atizigi is in down in pains and only send update in it Mame Emra with so far more than Atizigi did only say Yelusuna at this point in the game about Fetiana.
Even if Ebe affect here, should we accept Ebe affect here? We have a certain Benjamin Asaria or second to Atizigi, so you rely on Benjamin Asari's exploit. Say at this stage, so for the first time, we bet me live up to expectation because the 3 keepers in the coy. Emergency sport of FIFA the for Ghana no. The other side keeper, so let's hope say we bet me I fit. Well, it's me fitter. Per the official list of coy no. Those goalkeepers are or more making that list no. We should be able to fill in the space. So when it's me and Mabaka, that's what I think.
I know any sending update in it number 14 Shetta Edema Panama brother Carlos Harvey or no earlier incident or running into Chesatizigini ties no Nesereno and I just order so Philippines Euma ama order so take for a temporary hold up still Ghana should be Panama almost want to mention Atigas also sorry not just and they'll bet me that to a game of somebody they contain now minimum the final decision Abranch and episode bit to also. And yes, Lawrence Atizigi and also Benjamin Asari has of a goalkeeper and Nero or Trinity and Nemon Bibia HSA goalkeeper vessel Lawrence Atizigi on Subetima Twason and it's any update in it here. Ghana Mantana Chabon was himself 10 bounce Kamal Team Suleiman and to me and find out me and Ukraine anyone a Ghana young function crack a 3 ana Panama defenders now almost Bulliana almost watching iron toss where a 3 coins Panya Chete Wapemboro now Ernest Nyama on now before Betumia Kwana Ernest Nyama or my crashing out to one baby revisit or see Antoine Panama or the Boneba Christian Martinez or the Bona Coach to a branch of Giovanni Ramos or also the Bonnie Penimunka Kakra or probably the Bonamano what touch Bonato now branch of Amir Murillo or the Bonama branch of Christian Harvey or Pessotanabo great defensive work by Kamal T. Suleimana or Masanswa Ibona Pie across into the box Christian Harvey Naso Kalib Irenche Mianaje or the Bonama Niama what touch Bonakosha Jordan Ninsan Chumakan Yetian Yama to be into Revisiboni Foul Ghana and Mofantia Panama branch of Carlos Harvey or Bonnie Body Minnesota United our MLS anymore or completely bitterly on Thursday final for the Ghana coach events Carlos Cruz and so complaining a bench o complain only say Panama phone is too physical mobile na omo be pimpia Ghana players na to baby no mo revisit kan hwe me sure say no anti and I'm a coach events Carlos Cruz on so call o complain former coach Edema Real Madrid former assistant coach Edema Manchester United Carlos Cruz and on the coach Edema Ghana Calibi Renchibona coach to Lawrence Atizigi we trouble that was a poor kick na so still Ghana Manchester Antoine Semenyo Muna che give him that's a clever pass from Semenyo Ghana on the attack you to me the Ashana and that's Nyama ura box ni mo and next Nyama play or the bona Sinaya wabona fanchen Marvin Sinaya volleyball no kosoro kama no one the final shot na go fanchen and to Semenyo nya mienu ni krani na mi refi grass obo game ni bi nemum or drop it back to way na taso the pass ni shemu kama ekoye chance de ma Ghana nemum no Marvin Sinaya bobona fanchen ama ene ball e goalkeeper Panama the Canal men no omobodi etia the Black Stars of Ghana obia into mention the Ghana and Shebi Panama and Shebi live commentary up him so 104.7 the final or see ambo Simanu Num and fa enkanwano and send your update na etie na mausa messages na ebi abawe ase your friend and Kumi Prince and any di and no na or say Ghana will win or say Ghana will win first half or say first half 2 or more goals and Kumi Prince the message on it here no is the first half Ghana ebenya handicap na no Kumi the zia de bibia just say ankobane sa yes Simanu 9 number 45 now Nina so referee ambo Simanu number 5 and for enka we also say go Ghana go Black Stars Idris Abdurrahim Ederson champion commentator Peter Drury Ghana 2 Panama 1 Vegas is live open soya som and a message at Tite Ferguson CEO Edema Tite Furniture Works also Ede Abraham na Benji from Fancy Seria or no prediction or say Ghana 3 Panama 2 and a prediction at Benji and so Eddie Abreye now we and so say hi good evening or say good evening sir my name is YP from Accra Ghana or say from Accra Ghana to win and a message a guy no and also Eddie Abreye and so say and then hi good evening please please, my name is Malakuta. I am listening to the show live inside Kumasi Bokrom. Please, Panama will score Ghana by 2-0. Oh, Malakuta de Wofana, and any messages, Bebre, and so our Amre Pemra, Yabakin Kanina, Edamam on Saudi Mira, Fabra Bekin Kane, come a live commentary of Pimswa 104.7 2026 FIFA World Cup. Still not Ghana and Shebi, Panama and Shebi, and Simanumi Abumu Bako, Akasimana 4 minutes, not yet your Freddy kind of Ghana Mantani Kitabono, Elmo from Brantia, Yevan said Jerome Poku, or the Bonama Elisha Owusu, the French-born, French-based defender, with trouble on onto the left-hand side of attack. Naso Samena Nuantama and Neno, and Kofana Fleke Kama, and Akomo goalkeeper now, on the source start to build up now, Andres Andrade, on the Boneba Pebi Bonamano, or the Bonnie Confusion from a Branjaventa Carlos Harvey, on the Kitabono, what Tony was a Pebi Bonamano, Carlos Harvey, Jabono, so, will Piamonama Giovanni Ramos, now Ramos and the Boneba, Panama for my discipline, or my son's well organized men can fanatao, or Mama Ghana match you, Papa, me a show, sir, we're Ghana and you one expecting, so far so good, Edema Panama, never know, Obia and Shebi Ghana, yes, Shebi, or Mako combined the Bonata Calibi Renchi, or you tomorrow 50 pa, now Elisha, on the Boneba, to Jordan, are you the captain, Jordan Tatebona to the first row, now Branda Vesen Niyama, or the person to Elisha running to space, walk on through Bonekama, Obetuma Kona surrounded by 2 players, Panama for Omotaki to Elisha, or cross the ball on Sudabe, Revisibona, try lining Tino, and you go kick your more Infantia Ghana. Elisha Usu Bomade ko cross ball minimum assistant line one who's a bona try line into the wapejane flag na signal say a goal kick can call yes born in you the whole circumference now a try line into office now omunyo omo corner right omanya niye kama now born your goal kick Panama omo pian in terms simanu no ya bomu miensa kamienu ye do feri kan be ban ye Andres Andrade for Panama on the bonne banka kra searching forward in a bit or to Tuneni looking for options or probably the personal share was also Ibona Badechi, Jose Cadoba, or the Bona to the first one, Giovanni Ramos, back to Cadoba, all the way back to the goalkeeper, Orlando Mosquera, with trouble on it, Eribona team with the right hand side of attack, Ghana Mantana Pimbona P, now Bonabelia Brantia, Yavanta Kamaluddin Sulemana, now Soma Ibona Finase, Abranavanta Amir Murillo, on their Sacrela, another Sacrerance now, where Amir Murillo, on their Sacrerance now, and Tiboni attacking through, Erima Ghana, Gideon Mensa, on the Coco Tubono, Gideon Atuboni, the Bona Chubo. Kamaluddin or the Bonama Elisha or Pianama Caleb on the Swahili coaching now Ghana Piabono all alone inside the center circle Jonas Ejeti or the Bonama Elisha on the Swahili to Benkumso now Kamaluddin to Gideon Mensa with Chabona Sim Kama now one Boneko Antoine Semenyo Obetuma Bana and Kofano Wanten Semenyo so Swanche while manager Holy Play Yamagana ye Chana to refugee free kick Yamagana. Refugee free kick also complaining bitterly. Aprande Venture will say Cadoba, Obani Bodyman Norwich City. Nesono any Antoine Semenyon Nano, English based. I want to bomb any Okoko Tetia Semenyon Kakan Kakasa. What is here? O Diletina says, O Titan and Kitten sa. And Yasan Ketua. Now Bonnie free kick Edema oh my Ghana. Simon Refi Editosono. Aka seconds. Akasima Teta Nata say a boy. And then we bet me the last chance of the first half. Ghana and your free kick. You bet me that breaking the deadlock and you bet me area to Cherry Kanyana. Now the captain Jordan are you behind the ball? Jordan energy no bonechi was it pressing and William Nianshe. So you bet me the way I breaking the deadlock of the game. Is ancestor now be and should be last chance in the Simanum Nara for the Tosonaso. A free kick at Ghana. Where last chance of the first half. Jordan Jinabonechi. Jordan are you? Oma Pembono, Bonin Kobebia, Ghana Mantana Toso, Elisha cross the ball, a chance. Oh. Edema crossing Elisha cross the ball to baby cry. Elisha Usuda was a pro cross from the AJ Oxec captain. Finally, reference Glenn Nieberg. Watch out, baby, sir. Young for Freddy Kaninina. Emra Newe at the BMO field. Toronto, Canada. At the end of the first half, Obia Anthony Anshebi, Ghana Anshebi, Samsuna Panama, almost Anshebi. Once again, your friend Abdurrahim at Tessenmeko Boswo, second half Shasia. Mesanso Babetwasu.
Yada say Abdurrahim Edelson ne atenen kano atakra ma menyo comment kakra e o game no ho na afei ye na ye ho emrasima ma mentio
Eugene situation you wom sisi you know you betimi abo your coach number so say watimi stay without a goal but I think say the Rahim maya we no You drew a new one, Eugene. You're too weak as a team. You team connected well. You team pass well. And the space is not that Panama for actually. Eugene, we've not been able to utilize the spaces because you could see so many spaces Panama for actually because they are not playing a defensive game. Or more bien and or more ball. But anytime you be running Hubiano, you player who say or you're very eager to put the ball at the back of the net and only a problem. And Eugene, your games now are mono and your effect for you.
So
Elisha also last ball no.
Number we pa dey say obo short toes where dey o.
Bia obe blame Elisha also. But team no sharpness e form. The sharpness of the entire team e form. And you can say among peg games more. And then affecting you.
See no you. No Rafa Kofi Atakra. Nico, my no comment our game no. First half abona we Ghana and Shebi. Panama so and Shebi.
Eugene, say Ghana there. Your World Cup Eugene. Your first game biano. Okay, who say me na game da. Yes. But second half I think say coach ni be on the drawing board. No ko hu ni mistakes ah. Because near Panama for no mo game no. Ever born a half. And na ye born a counter break. Say you rely on your wingers because of omu place no. Omu. Okay, that Raf you say South Africa 2010 you win your first game. Yeah, things I don't know okay. And you rely on your speedsters no more wings, you know. But your midfield no MY MNTM locate you because we are your front no Bibi obi any ho.
Who say this player Calvin ne osi half until you say obi any ho.
Oh, you need so obi any mo say because we na red rubber. We na red rubber be come midfield no. And the time e benya ball ni bia no, you dey call wide. You dey call wide that time crossing bia be.
Some nyos ni pa mienu ni gina ne so.
Good. And no so shift akokoda wings ho. And kama di Suleiman abesha na ase abe na 10. And Jordan no so also only the attack. Also abe na 10 na. And you need the right number 9 ankasa wo arrowhead ni bi. And it nya ball na ko wings na ball na ba obi ani ani mo ho na you locate na man the final pass. And no na problem ama team fi say coach ni go back to the dressing room. I think so be kasa to me na second half no. You the betterment from Ghana players. Enye bad. Enye bad so no be bo no possess game na pressure was so na team so keep pressure na second half yi e be ba na still na no. Obia on na form by go I think say enye bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why are they?
Oh my are they.
Na on say this player ne card na wanya no.
Renchi.
Yes, ne card na wanya ne nya effect bi o game ne so.
On say Eugene me hu ene team bia won ho as compared to even auxiliary midfield here already
Elisha Usu.
Why na hu no wanya card no still why na hu no. You see him say still attack it. Okay. And then Obwa sendenya all right side ho ye. And then we say or still na Obo we say a limiting the tackles be on my first go back. But say the tackles na first so go with aggression e so better kakra.
Sure.
And they say na
so call be
yes. And they will be and say World Cup is the least tackle be able to be a card. Enti or the can say minister coach or dressing room coach in Bakasa. I'm not because you know be a otimi ball midfield.
Okay.
You need be and until I can na ye World Cup ni ye ka say Ashimeru na near qualify for that place.
But I to make it about guesting watch about
no ba I think so ba be boy because we come out this Sulemana Oji born no dey surge forward. Oji no dey surge forward. But the final pass, the final delivery e wo form because na make say because of say ye ni obi e wani mo ni ntino. Oji born na dey kwa o dey kwaye den. Ye ni obi e wani mo front obi ani wo. But previous games I read teams na read no. Arrowhead back one. Yes. Otimi ya ball playing. Otimi gina so. Yeah. Jordan are you? Only him so wetimi gina boss so by na boss so gina no kra I dey am no because Panama no they came in very physical what I say and a Ghana Susu be a bononia a buffer cana because of your G technique di sa tiki takano and anything a high.
Okay.
Until I think if you dress a second half in the bar, I think there's seven you also up in the game. Sometimes you know, you're so big and 10 once how you need to come a bear link up play so born in the call because they say no, you can't get a team. Why not? You need done a semen. And to say a ball game, never do this time at first half now or performance in format. A benya effect over Ghana so.
Okay. Mama na me home na ba ye beto aso high up him so 104.7 yet in konya so no nkono commentary no na de bro ye dan ho ba sisi e ba ye beto aso
man Merimedro delay man capsules ya wonum yen die boy ye ahode na wanya ne sa no wo delay adwuma no so papa na wo che na wo ye ni ye pa delay man capsules I don't know ama me sisi me ko todwe mu ayenten I can see na local mixture ene ne capsules a e ma me merima nyina num bie no me num bie no me do wo ho me say me hu se wa hi fie ho ayefe neat pa enti na wo ko hye wo a wo delay sa local mixture and the capsules means so afichikro mu yaw biem miura se wo be delay
Papa so 104.7 FM
be ma na wo ba bia wo be hu dia wo mpe ana wo beti yaw bi e wo ho ba bia no fa local mixture esia no yare bi te se gonorrhea white syphilis and the keka ho no wo bia woni ntime nyi da entima local mixture and the capsules e me yifru e wo heba and pharmacies nyina mu dodo afre 0242 133 577
Ana 0248 619 999.
Local mixture and the capsules. And what's that there? In kind. Hey, na ade nante mu star bia aba foforo no ana. Na wo nante ana wa che wo sisi wo sugar. Se wonnim yare ne nam me nipadua mu a enka wie wonya me wrofo kra. Oh, sorry. Ya ready en fansiri nipa. Menim ene etie me yare ankasa. Oh, kakra na nansi a cheme. Me chinka sei asemu bu. Ade woni Lawson herbal mixture e wo vie. Lawson herbal mixture. Ene e wadwuma ye pa. If you say, Semi malaria ne kan ne ho a. A chinje sei na Lawson herbal mixture so edisun kunim no. Wonam ya pa. Wo bo ho ma bia wo mia no kra wonte hwe enso a chire no. Na ye no ya afe malaria koko afitikro mu amane hunu. Wo po so ta ye wo ya. Ade en. Eya na mentiri mu ta hwe me pa na ase de me kotodwan hunu bisa. Me so de ba nchia bo nwumu a. Lawson herbal mixture e beti ne tama ho atokra. En ye se Lawson herbal mixture ma me ho to me dia. Me da was na we no enye sika na me de beda was. Oh, that is in kind. Eh, no. What you bring me me ko pedia bros sia. Our pharmacy chemical na herbal shop bia be me.
Fair 0248 619 999.
And 0242 133 577. Lawson herbal mixture there. And ho na ase e in kind.
This is Felix Anan, captain of Asante Kotoko. For any information about Kotoko, listen to Opimswo 104.7 FM is the best.
Etie for Amos Olomo Frimpong, former Asante Kotoko captain. Se Ope Sports News papa any Asante Kotoko munsem pa etia enoane Opimswo FM. Opimswo Asanteman Ajiatum.
This is Felix Anan, captain of Asante Kotoko. For any information about Kotoko, listen to Opimswo 104.7 FM is the best.
Bo radio no ambo Opimswo anka wa. It say we wa motium na wan chia wa no because of Opimswo de. Maba yenim say mo ba beka. Na efeso mo live impact a. Echirima na beba no beka say, "Hey, King Solomon Tiku obi na ko na didi na ati afite."
Okay, T, yes, I'm going to be a quabba BM and fan up him so 104.7. Now, my catcher will say, and there is a open set with Sisimuya. And then Yariano, I won't swatch ultimate to ano. I won't want a day at the amount. Now, they said, well, sir, if we has no beer, you more. Ukwa Wariano, I tell you, pa, I want a ma. Hypertension, how? Diabetes, how? Ya bow diama anasia tata dia. What do I do to no be a fa? And they would not be no about better spiritual marriages. I brought you for a more here on YouTube no. A doctor Nana Kwame a duna. Na share na make come for a amount. Nana se brawate. Brana na share our great wamase. Brana omwano tuasie emfa amount. Na unim say obisi aboni duale fu atatai ne nasi nyina atatai ne fu ahye kompo na ne na mawo enti conductor na kwa me adu na so no na ne kompo no emfa emawo na Ghana ye changes Lawrence Atizigi antumi amabiem ene Benjamin Asare ena eba beda go post nim dia Ghana. Tuberculosis, how, jaundice, how, asthma, cocoa, hypertension, diabetes, kidney problems, compo, bema low sperm count, prostate cancer, bema usisi yadie, usisi yadie, no one didn't beko womb. Brad doctor na kwa me do na so no mo. Nana wa get mama say on the new mission school no ena ebay for 0246 241 350 0246 241 350 and 0549 54 9494 call nana emwa wate a Lawson Herbal Center ya the Lawson Dilemon Capsules Abedjaman so ya the Lawson Local Mr. Abedjaman so and the infections ni nyina etu ase e the amount sanso na ya the Lawson Herbal Mixture aba Abedjaman so for 0242 133 ya be call na Abdulrahim Edelson at the commentary no of a tosumi no atwaye so Ghana and the Panama Samuel Bian Sebinti Rahim over to us so amaye.
Yes, I don't understand your update and so at your corner. Yes. Yanko. I know any update in a Tayan Kona Yankova commentary now. And Brahma Kama second half of Tosumi now. And Yasha so Freddy Kanepane we are the Ghana and Shebi Panama Muso to be and Shebi another 45 minutes to play. Ghana ever control magic now. Naya Toswaji 3 points now. And as I say Ebabe Tosu Yanche near Enere and also in the next 45 minutes now. Unimse Enere Ghana the goalkeeper Lawrence Atizigi went man to us. Yes, 20 man to a game so I think a pre our free mama Enero goalkeeper Benjamin Asare on Abba replacing on and sending update now and also Tayan to us now Panama a brand event Amer Murillo Wakoko Chama Bona coming to Giovanni Ramos Waboni say Tum Edibona Petro Ediana Defenania so Jeromo Poku big defensive work Waklebona Kama now what Tatibona Gideon Mensa on Edibona Bana Gideon were beating Maka Kama was also a Katibona back to a brand Caleb Irenchi on the Soribona coach Jonas Ejete, not the bona to the first of Marvin Senaya the bona to Ernest Niama, now Niama and the Boneco, what Tatibona Bonfin from, and they were Piabon the Bonamani former right to Dream Academy teammate Caleb Irenchi on the Soribona Jeromo Poku, where Piabona to Ben Kumswo, now Gideon Mensan the Boneco, or the Bona Shimkama, Jordan Ayu, on the Kito Betumia Kona Jordan, Nanso Debia Manakwai, on my Ibone Fruama Bona Contrasano. Refuse bɔne yɛ foul. Ghana mbɔmfantia Panama. Second half ni yɛhwɛ Ghana bɛtuma control magic kana. Ghana technical team no mahu bibi akɔyɛ nwe adwuma. Ɔmanya antidote bi a Ghana yɛde ba bɛwini game nana. Menim sɛ Ghana ni bia Nana Julia top him so 104.7 a monitor young quality up to speed commentary now. The only thing I would change is here a goal, and of course Panama for so I ready. So Mama Ghana boot for boot now. Bonnie Fiki Kadema Ghana. I've seen two players. Nemo will be action Wamanaka Jordan. Are you the captain? Now Jordan is in about Chidima Ghana. Jordan Simon Court taking shortly now. Bonacodia Brantia, Yevanta Kamaluddin Sulemana, Kamaldina across the ball. Now should I be Jonas Ejeta head on as a goalkeeper Nism. Goalkeeper Venta Orlando Mosquera. That was a good cross into the box. Jonas Ejeta Bonoma didn't take a bobo anymore. Now so straight at the throat of goalkeeper. Yeventa Orlando now. Panama neighbor Alex Murillo. Where Amir Murillo mum. Oribona Coachre. Oribona Koma Giovanni Ramos. Now Ramos Ekita Bono. Oribona to Enene Nifaswo. Ninsaka Branda Venta Carlos Harvey. With Chabonete Tentiribona Chibo. Jose Luis Rodriguez. Now so Benjamin Asare. With Piaba Bobona to watching the Bonnie attacking through. Edema Panama Fuano. Bonnie attacking through Matubon and Tetem so on best start to build up in a future. Andres Andrade or the Bonama Caesar Blackman. Jose Luis Rodriguez. Or cross Obienu Amane Ghana Mantan, Gideon Mensa, Waklebona Mabona Coco Trashano, attacking through the canal men of Panama, Omo to the Black Stars of Ghana, Obion to Menshebi, of Fertosumino, Afeni Abosimane Mianza in total, Yabosimane Ediana watching 48 minutes, Ghana and Shebi, Panama and Shebi, Omatubana de Bonaco Boximo, Abranta Venza, Cecilio, and Wataman, Watatubana Christian Martinez, Obetumia Kwana Branta, or slide and Papa, across the Benjamin Asare, or see no problem. Wasobo himself to train him Rafi Wasebo na trash no a goal kicker Ghana Yamon Fontia Panama Obian Shebi Ghana and Shebi Panama so and Shebi 2026 FIFA World Cup live commentary of Feri Kane be the message sent by Antuman Kamon Fonte Yababo Modeni Akani Nina de Amamo also on Vaudia Myron Enero Fafa 0596 259444 0596 259444 and answer 0560 180880 0560 180880 now you can kama and for Emma went on and it's any update now and also at now Yanto Tumede in some famamo now Bonnie Kita Ghana Manteno Abranta Vente and then away I just Abrante Fanta and then Jonas Ejete on the Boneba on my Ibon Couture now. Bonacocria Brantia, your friend said, and the Jeromo Poku with Chabon 10 and so Edibono Achimo. Now Ghana and Bonico, Ghana Urobots and Calibriantinas. Oh, Calibrian Chabona for him, what Bobona Vasocra Calibrianchi. What Bobona Mabonin and Baby Cra and follow kindly Emmanuel Boximo Bonnet Pemo Cosoro Kama. A settle kama nemo mobobo no wanya technique ni one hit boni Ghana fans na baye papa hey Ghana for Canada min kan fana da mo Dawson a big present on Panama goalkeeper Yeventa Orlando Mosquera wa bobo ne feature Ghana back in possession second half of Ghana start here Elisha de Bonama Jordan now Jordan are you na de boniko captain what you wanna beneti now Jordan are you o probably the pass na mano wakati na so be ya te bono na so still Jordan wa manager gaining possession area Ghana or tutuneni now wa pia bono de bonakoma Jonas Ejete wa yibona tuni faso na bona Korea Brantia Yevanta Marvin Senaya wa cross the ball that was a deep one Obiani one so Brantia Yevanta Kamaluddin that's what to keep that one in play Obetima Chiana Kamaluddin Sulemana 1-on-1 wa bitini maka Kamaluddin one to Mianko ama Brandavanta Amir Murillo wa Miana Jebono na Amir na Deboneko opewe bi pass na she Abranta na tiashi wa kofa bona kita Refia Jefao Ediamano Panama nya fawo mobodi etia oh my Ghana Jabosima Edionum 50 minutes played at the BMO field at Toronto 2026 FIFA World Cup live quality commentary up him so 104.7 Obian to Shebi Ghana and Shebi Panama Omunso and Shebi now goalkeeper Orlando Mosquera with Chabon 10 to Christian Martinez now so Ghana Mantera Manukwai Caleb Irenchi and now I hear Jumon Fifuapa Bonacodi Mensa Wabonache now Panama back in possession Panama Nedibonico Abrante Avanza Cecilio and Wataman Watachebonato Jose Luis Rodriguez or the Bonama Caesar Blackman who would box in a chance Panama Fana chance Abrante Betuma Bona Watachama Have the Bonacomani captain Abranda Benza Barcinas Oribona Martinez wa flick bona wudem na so Ghana Jerome Pokwa ibone fetiro wa tidy up situation in the Ghana Panama fans no so papa wa ibone firu ama bona contrast na o ma tuturo ni tentem na bona ko di Amir Murillo Amir awura boximana yes Amir wa cross bona Ghana for na stop a cross no now Elisha Uswa Lusubono a chance Edema Panama Barcinas the captain what a block by Caleb Renchi what a block Yoel Barcinas captain de Panama just at the edge of the box or cutting in now per short about no Renchi block here so Panama putting pressure on Ghana across now so there be Ghana maintain the Omutia Chiama Bona contraction in corner miscommunication Ghana Manteno Omudio Mutia Chibona Mane Bona Babe Trashano a corner kick in Panama Omobody Tia oh my Ghana second half of Ghana starting in the moment Panama fans Russia almost settled down crossing in you Jonas Ejete and Jerome Poku communication and Yejuma Nemano all the same Mama Bomadia Krama Bona Contrasano Bona Contrasano corner Omate Kibona shot Christian Martinez or the Bona to Luis Rodriguez with a cross Benjamin Asare Wabe pile Bona way now Ghana will break on a counter Ernest Niama on the Kita Wandema Ghana Ernest Antimanche Ernest Antimi Jordan Ayu Swako Faria Ghana now Jordan Betumana surrounded by almost 3 players Jordan Ayu and they were manager Ibone Pie now so be anyone Panama Mantero a branch of Vance Wose Yanase Jose Kadoba on the Kita Bono Wapiabono Edibona Kakomani captain a brand of Yoel Barcinas on Ediboneba Wajawa Mama Christian Martinez on Uswa Iboni Coachre now Giovanni Ramos Wadibona to Benkumswo Andres Andrade on the Kita Wandema Panama Andrade Wadiboni Konenim Panama Fana Control Aya Pria Yetene Nansura Bibona Sanso Benkumswo Boba to Andres Andrade or the Bonama Guandabi Jose Kadoba the Bonama Giovanni Ramos Panama Foneniabre into the center circle now Bonabe the captain a brand of Joel Barcinas or the Bonama Andres Andrade or the Bona to Benkumswo to Caesar Blackman the Bona to Jose Luis Rodriguez back to Blackman or the Bona Abrantia Yeventa Andrade with Chabone 10 to the Bona Chimo now Jose Luis Obetumia Kwana Ghana Mrante Mino almost Yama Kwan Aya Pire Abrantana manager cross na box in more a chance de Panama na Sudebi Ghana Mantana Babeje Jonas Ejete with Chabone 10 to the Bona Future Oma Fleke na Bona Pense one Antoine Semenyo Abrantana 110 so oh yes what we need to do Ghana wa we need to throw to Bona quick NS Nyama wa touch Bona Benechi Caleb Irenchi wa control Bona Kama Irenchi abie Bonimo Edibona Brabranch Avance Gideon Mensah now Ghana for the Black Stars omo ye niombe to me bia se benya go now Kamaluddin Sulemana on the Kitaboro Edibona to Mensah crossing now so that be goalkeeper na Ibona Pia across the face of goal Ghana play bien what to do the correction now Nyama ko forward we need corner the Ghana there be Revise goal kick Revise goal kick Yabo Simane Ejionum 9:54 minutes of action at the BMO field Toronto Canada and when I came in Etoja Ghana and Shebi Panama Amuson to Shebi 2026 FIFA World Cup live quality commentary on your biggest platform of Pimswa 104.7 now you're to Jumedeniswe Bonikita Jose Kadoba Wapiamana Tuo now Bonabedi Giovanni Ramos Panama Kitabona from Mupia Abrantia Yevance and Havi on the Kitabona Kama wa control on the probable Bonamano we Abrantia Yevance Carlos Aben and Sudabe Ghana Mantan Elisha Ousu where you born of him Ghana fans I'm gonna dance on my woman and of course I was almost celebrity and Yasan Ketua Yantua Jumaden Sobani throw them up Panama to Bona quick or the Bona same come to the captain on him Bobo Yoel Barcinas or the Bona quick to the goalkeeper Orlando Mosquera or Pia Bona to Benkumswo on the left hand side then Saka Andres Andrade or the Bona Caesar Blackman now Blackman sounds to the Bona quick to the Bona come Andres Andrade on the spread the Bona Pacos Jose Kadoba Watatu Bona to now Giovanni Ramos on the Bona Baramos Watatu Bona to the first wall Abranda Benza Amir Murillo Huantene wa manager Tere Kamaldina Tumiante Namomi Elisha Babeji Bona Finism Revisesen Reverence Glinnebeck from Sweden Wajeboni Dietia Ghana Wate Edietia Ghana se Panama Omon Frontier Ghana and when it's any update here now Panama Fona start to build up now Eddie future now Bono Womo from Momo APM and Kakraka now Bonakodi Andres Andrade will Pia passing to a Kama onto the left hand side Caesar Blackman or the Bona Command captain Yoel Barcinas on Swapia Quit hey Panama Fona Massa Omo Pepa Omo Mirakura Tessa Tikita Canada Omo Stalu Omo to be passes Sana Ghana Mrantani Chelsea Sunsum Omo Chelsea Shadow Somu Mushi Ghana and Shobi, Panama and Shobi, Yantoso, Panama, Fana de Bonepa, Ometuma Kona, with a boxing, now so that be Ghana Mantana Manaquine, or Magadi Bonama, Bonaco Trust and a goal kick, a brand of Caesar Blackman, a Bonnie Body, Slovan, Bratislava, I was a native of Slovakia, I want a Bonnie ball. One to me and Fabon and Conan go appealing for corner kick. No more refinam Finukra. Wow, the goal kick. Eddie Amagana.
104.7 FM.
And Chakra Abdel Fattah Wisaku de Kakali Kaman. Ono Ebabe Shemdi Amagana. And you know Brendan Thomas Asante. Kamal Din Sulemana. One on the film. Kamal Din Sulemana and NS Nyama Omunina Efrimo. Ama Abdel Fattah Wisaku de Brendan Thomas Asante. Amonso Babe Shemi Abosiman Edionumunson. 57 minutes of action and then so 2 players and Omodi na Baneviye. Omobio Mojuma Fattah Wisaku Abom. One air quarter as a right wing position or body Leicester City. The Kakali Kaman and former player FC Tamale Utrecht. Former player Steadfast. Former player Dreams FC. Of course Portland Lisbon and Oyejuma Leicester City. Sansuna Brendan Thomas Asante on Sobo. Edema Coventry City. Namia Toma next season. English Premier League now. Moves and Brendan Thomas Asante Sutinama. Oyejuma Kamana Boni. A goal kick Benjamin Asare. With Chabani 10 to Monachomo. Ghana Mantana to Mianfa. And as a back to sender. Now Panama Fana Pimbonache. Fattah Wisaku. Nasirabe. When you're the first touch, no try, so both his center circle. Naswa Moboni Amabona got trash and a goal kick. Bonaco got trash and in your picture, of course, as Samoa Jan. The baby jet, a Wole Monko, a Bonnie suit, Kama, I was dancing one who shake Kibini. Now, you're to swear Panama for now, Omikitabona from Wa, Obian to mention be 58 minutes played, Obian Shebi, Ghana Shebi, Panama Shebi, Bonikita Carlos Harvey, or the Bonama Andres Andrade. Now, Panama on the attack, Panama on the move, will play Bonaco to a branch event, Jose Luis Rodriguez to Caesar Blackman, or the Bonamani captain Yoel Barcinas. Now, Barcinas has spread the Bono down the right hand side to nobody in particular. Ghana Mantana Yepi, Jordan Ayu, and not to be reficient to us. Now Panama Mantero, or Mohamed Azuki Tabono, a branch event Andres Andrade on the Bonepa, no Andrade, what touch Bonatuo, now Panama on the Bonepa, a branch event Caesar Blackman, that's a clever pass, Jose Luis Rodriguez, there been a cross on to Miamba, Jonas Ejetu, on the Tinabone to Antimancle, or you are playing into trouble, Panama for Ghana boxing, or across the Ghana Clay, a shot, Boninseyo, Christian Martinez, oh, side net, hey, that was close. That was close. Abranto in the Waha. Christian Martinez, Obe BAB, Obe Unu Fife, Obe Unu Nifa, Obe Unu Benkum, Ya Quataco, so Obe Unu anymore. Unu any Kokona just a blonde in it in white. No way, Papa, Christian Martinez, Namenqua. Nanko to Chedekane, Nanko to Atinedikae, Eriama Panama, and so a short now, resulting into a side net into a goal kicker of my Ghana, the Black Stars. Yabody Atia, the canal men of Panama, Obian to Ben Shebi, Ghana Shebi Panama, Omuso Shebi Boni, a goal kick. They say Ghana Nyabelda, Benjamin Asare, with Chabani Tente, Jordan Ayu, of Flekibon Anko, Nasobanabi, Thomas Asante, the Siana Oba Watachabon, Onusu Dimika, Obetima Fana, Wafane Mumi, Chanato, Reference, Glini Bagin, interested, or Sebon. A goal kick. Brendan Thomas Asante says Ghana, you knew number 10, and no. One of them say watching number 10 just in our Shayan to us now Bonikita in the Panama Andres Andrade or the Bonabeche to a Prantia Yevanta Jose Cordoba where Jose Cordoba or the Bonama Giovanni Ramos with Chabone Tente or Christian Martinez Naso Ghana Mantana Pimona P Elisha Ousu or Pia at the Bonama Khaled Irenchi was spread on the backwards now Jonas Ejete with Chabone Tente the Bonachimo or Chabrantia Vanta Antoine Semeno they were Brendan Thomas Asante where we need to the Ghana. Brendan Thomas Asante winning through and number 24 Shetta Azarias Londono enter Obebabe Shegim of the Ama Panama now Ghana to born in Tetam so Gideon Mensa on the Bonepa with Jamudama Elisha Ousu Elisha also the Bonu Coachre a brand of Jonas Ejete where you want to the first war Marvin Sinaya or the personal shame to nobody in particular Panama Fonabeje Sinaya Sanso Miomaje now Ghana Mantana the Boneko Sinaya Fanwo Ghana on the attack Sinaya Neba up across air or across the ball oh there's a side net nearly Nanko catch goalkeeper by surprise. Marvin Sinaya oya running them Andres Andrade or stopping the cross on Ghana in your corner. A corner oh my Ghana yabodi etia Panama enie or crossy boni nemum Andres Andrade ene de no ko carbon eman carbon air deflection no ankasa ne ho nemum so and so lucky for him no bona ntumi connect no ma bona ba be trash no bona be trash na e corner bona be trash na e corner ma chebona simo oh Jonas Ejete want to me on your connection want to me for Tian Carbon. It was a deep delivery, a good delivery into the box. Fatawi Saku de Pecha corner. Bonne Bayepa. Name Jonas Ejete to me. Now number 18 shutter Edema Panama. Onunu El Primo. Abranta Venture Cecilio Waterman. Onunu Air Banchen Ama number 17. Abranta Venture Jose Fajardo. Onunu replacing. Sanso and Abrantia Fanisa Christian Martinez. One also Air Banchen. Ama enene Azarios Londoro entina Azarios Londona babeshim and a Jose Fajardo on so babeshim di ama Panama and send update net here Yabosimane Eduosiam Yenu 62 minutes of action Ghana and Shobi Panama Omunsu and Shobi live commentary on your biggest platform of Pimswo 104.7 Midinya di Abdurrahim Etesena I'm your commentator Yantuaso Ghana Bonanko baby Andres Andrade Wasanso Abejebono Watachama Jose Luis Rodriguez Ochinyanko baby Caleb Irenchi for Ghana Caleb Atene Kama Urimbobo Odebonama Marvin Senaya de Bonama Jonas Ejete to Jerome Poku Pepa Pani Ejuma now Bonabedi Ben Kumswo Gideon Mensah for Ghana Watachabona Tuo now Ghana Mantan Antoine Semenyo Wasanso de Bonama Gideon Mensah with Shabon Tente de Bonachimo Jordan Ayu the captain good control Odebona Senfifi Panama Oma Bejebona captain Yoel Barcinas Odebona Coachru Odebona Giovanni Ramos Opobede Panama Giovanni or Tutunini or Sanso de Bonama captain Yoel Barcinas ono Edeboni Banani Munka Krakra Yoel Barcinas Odebona center circle to Carlos Harvey with Chaboni Tente or Enena Branch over Munchana Sudebi Oma Flekebono number 24 Shatter Londoro Odebona to Caesar Blackman goalkeeper Benjamin Asare or see no problem was about him secretary Ama oh my Ghana the Black Stars was about him secretary Ama oh my Ghana Yabosimane Eduasamian 63 minutes of action. The way Eduasian 63 minutes of action at the BMO for the long ball. Jordan Ayew for Ghana with a boxing more. Now some piano the ball appear. Another push. Jordan Ayew no one manager will play the Ghana on your branch event. So say Kadoba. I have a lovely touch from Jordan to a branch event. Say Elisha a chance the Ghana. Bona fall kindly. Oh, Fata is out. One manager Sanso Financial Derby. Panama for the Miomache. Panama for the Beer Bonimo. Everyone Achuma with the right hand side of attack. Nanso Bienuama Bonako Trashana. A defending throw coming the way of the Black Stars of Ghana 2026 FIFA World Cup live commentary of Pimswo 104.7 Okota Kradia. We are live on Eneno Perio Premier 100.5 inside Takrade Technical University. Almost for commentary live or the person Chimo Brendan Thomas Asante. Brendan Wakrasibono. What a miss! What a miss, Jordan Ayew! Oh! What a miss! Nyamin Kwane Kagane show. That was a big opportunity. Brendan Thomas Asante Bono Mane cross a bona by. Now so Jordan Ayew on to me passing in here from Fatawi Saku from Brent to Brendan. On also Bomade a carpet crossing them of defender. No, what a clearance by Brent Evans Jose Kadoba. Abrantano Bono Martini pop. Essence na Jordan himself with Tiabona Shanisa. No we answer Panama for Obizo was kete. Ghana Mantanasa so mo kama second half way no. Nyamirim Ukraine o mapejo mo mo. So say the only thing Ghana need be a try a goal. Ghana boy first game 2026 FIFA World Cup. Boni a corner. Fatawi Saku de Kakali Kaman. Onutina Bonechi. Bakumi Rumiensa. A deep delivery. Dabi. Omanya connection here. Boni say. Ghana ya clip baby at war. Revise say when you're interested. Referee interested. Ya clip Ghana player. Now Panama funded Bonepa. Watato Bonama captain. Yoel Barcinas. Onosore Bonama Branta Vanta. I have the way Chabono. Gideon Mensah Pimbona Pie. Another flick Ghana. Jordan Ayew. Jordan the body or the bonus a chance for Ghana. Oh, a chance. Brendan Thomas Asante. Oh, where Antoine Semenyo. What a miss. Within the space, in less than a minute, Ghana. You have chances, baby. You want to know for Koto and Yankwai. yɛntumi amfa ne nyinaa mu bia nyɛ goal na Panamafoɔ ne ɛba no number 24 shot Londoro on the kitabo no or the pass na shemo shot na Caesar Blackman that's clever na so that be Ghana defenders na defend here now Ghana on the attack Ghana the ball bapa game no my shit game no my Demin come fanata Panama Fonas and so before Giovanni Ramos or accelerate to a shot about Abantanacho a chance Bonafonte what a game hey what a game no my shit game no my shit papa Ghana born in here appealing for penalty. Meaning so much check it in your clipping from behind. Boy, at least now say penalty Ghana. Or clipping from behind. And you Jerome Poku are in attention in our bonus so and I branded it Tian with you. No more referee will be play on me. So check it ya. No more maybe as I dressing break on check it. Referee check it. Yakwa yes, heat US and then heat Ketwa. Yabosiman Edrosian song 67 minutes of action at the BMO field. Our Toronto, Canada, Ghana and Shelby, Panama, Omuntumen Shelby 2026 FIFA World Cup live commentary on a Prince 104.7. Rafael Atakura so far so good. Ghana and second half performance now. Say and Usihuno.
Raheem, Yanka said this second half, the game has been much more tensed than first half. First half video, Ghana Modemono happy. Ghana second half, Ghana Modemono happy. Ama impo. Say you know you pulu goal scoring track our Panama. Unlike first half now, yet me and create any open chance. Yet me more even short on target, high and couldn't say first half yet even one corner kick. So it is telling you that the second half, you try to attack them from all angles. But I can say still ball number 20 and that ball our defender no clear. I think say our captain got there late and it all boils down to sharpness. It all boils down to inadequate preparation. Because the player no anticipated say ball number so was sliding ahead of Jordan. Jordan a man who ye haka crabia said supporter now what can they can crab on the no so I think this second half our boys appeal game no I can't say ball number 20 because so much we win this game we stand a better chance of qualifying and can I say African opponents on more opening games it's about only 3 and a lose, and 4 a draw and a back a win. So it's African opening games now. So much of the expectation about Ghana so say on bet me I add on myself to a more win and to say Ivory Coast. How Butia Ecuador. But what her opponent now? Young opponent is manageable. Young opponent in the shape of Panama is manageable because Obi Boetia Portugal, Obi Boetia Spain, now over Panama. On any day, you should be able to have your way out as compared to oppositions now with 2 years right now.
Ano anything update it here Rafael Kofi Atakora out in Kano and if you are a pack DJ Kinsey and so I nyasam ke to akra Ghana Emranten second half no nyame ni micro changes in the bar na say awon ke kana basoro the only thing that Ghana for you na try go no na ye boy am empire hey go we tompa kroma ye mfonsa dia sound solo ku bia be koso no men kan fana da we Ghana ni baby bia wo bia utie me no bompa ma team no say baby aduru ni here lack na go we water break over. Yabosiman Edioson 70 minutes at the BMO field. Ghana and Shelby, Panama and Shelby. Blessing Anumuso and Evian Yabeto game so for our gentleman messages in the Briaba. Maybe I can kind of come up on Saudi Amino 0596 259444 0596 259444 Nasa 0560 18080 now Ghana. Omanade Bonebana Bonacodi Fatawi Sakude Kakali Kamar or the Bonaso Brent shortness. Oh, goalkeeper Orlando Mosquera was so good. Brand Vincent 1-7 Nebono Wanyani. Wanyani amene Panama fana de bonepa we trouble the 10 to the bonachemo now washa branch Munchana so Ghana Manchana cleverly we a brand event also Fajardo on an almost channel they want to me and far Ghana back in possession. Caleb Irenchi found say Onya early yellow card no a Brantana Bojuma papa Caleb Irenchi Obani Bodima FC Northland. I know any senior update in a tell what Denmark and to us what Tatibon now. Ghana and the Bonepa, Antoine Semenyo, former player in Bristol City, former player in Bournemouth, and then we to Madama Man City, or the Bonama Pranta Van Say Irenchi the Bonato, Marvin Sinaya, or the Bonama Dofata Isaku, the Kakali Kaman, what beating Maka, we cannot to Bonnie free kick to Makana, and Tempaso evidence actually between where Yako Kosradiano, or the yellow card Nacha Brantia, event says Caesar Blackman. Or the yellow card Nacho Caesar Blackman. Onuna Babe, the second player according to the books of the referee. What a game this has been so far. Game no my she, game no my de papa. Ghana ni we Ghana ni anya chidi na bompire. E be fa Ghana be win game na nya chidi. E dey na to crack it. And as I'm get to our already Jesse no. Jo crack Jesse no Sheba office. Me who be that. Jesse me nimbe be free. Sa Panama for ko chebi dia. And as a Niger for so na Joe crack my Jiran Zamana was on the top no over Kanokre. Bonnie a free kick di Makana, Yabosimano, Edio Sumi 72 minutes here. Ghana bet to me Dania Koana. Leicester City players me no be Jordan Sonia Leicester player be Jordan Fatau Sakune Tinaboneti. Bonnie a free kick. Jordan Achabonasimo. Oh, what a mess! What a mess, Jonas Ajete, or Saudi in the Pemo Bono from Jordan free kick. Now, so once again, Bonafante, Ghana fans, and Edio Munza Gomuti, Ebikranya Yamubesu. Oh, born in the hair. So unlucky. Lucky in the Ghana side, into the so wash game now, Bompire for my team. You're here like at the moment. Yenya like now yan to Panama for Kitabano Giovanni Ramos on the Bonepa o Probi de Panama no to Tuneni now the Bonaba Finfia from number 24 Shata Brantia event Azarias Londoro or the Bonaman captain Joel Barasinas on the Soribona to Andres Andrade and the Bonepa now Andres Andrade or cross the bonnet and the Bonachimo a brand event Azarias Londoro on the Kitabano beautiful over about up across that was a poor cross. Ama Enero Bonacco Trust a goal kicker. Oh my Ghana. A goal kicker. Oh my Ghana. Yabodia Panama. Obise none of our channels showed the Black Stars match. And it is Seramo. We also say probability for Ghana to win this game is 74%. Hey, wisdom. On the message, we also say Fidaus from Asofia. Ghana will win by 2-0. Still Vim. And message of Fidaus and so on. Eddie Abreye. Now we also say hi. It's your boy Cantona listening to you live from Pankrono. Greetings to you all. You are the best commentator the whole world. Also then greetings to my mom Miriam Ousiwa, my friend Aziz Halidu. Ghana 1, Panama 0. And on messenger Cantona Edifi Pankrono and so Abreye Nayan Toaswe Ghana Yakwakoshe Jordan Ayubetima Chana Capito. Oh Jordan over elaboration was spending so much time on the ball. I'm a Panama for a Mianache. Then so that Wako consider foul as a Panama for us for them. I'm also reading the message. We answer same and Mousa Manford Joe production material Munyabutre. Where say all Ghanaians should stand still, cause they should stand still, cause Ghana is winning this game by 2-0. It's your man Sly from Oteneho Kwada. So and a message on also Eddie Abreye. We also say Anochi Rocky from Ahafogo. So Black Stars, we are waiting for the goal. Christopher Bonsuba should come on. And a message Anochi Rocky on also Eddie Abreye. We also say Francis inside Patase. Ghana versus Panama will be a goalless draw. And a message of Francis and so Eddie Abawan for your man. Fabrem Republic making Ghana Panama for more attacking Ghana across the one. So Jerome Poko Ibonepie. Now Brendan Thomas Asante. Flekibon and Kobebia, Joel Barsinas, captain de Panama, one Nabejo de Bonama, Andres Andrade, up across Ayamanka, or the Bona Uda Box, Benjamin Asare, or see no problem. What Piabe Sobonim Sekiche, Ediama, oh my Ghana, Benjamin Asare, SMNO, or Bonnie Body Mother Continental Club Masters, Glorious Accra to folk, with Chabon 10 to the Bonachumo, or Shani Captain Jordan, what Tenikama, Jordan Dominican and Sudabe, a brand of events, I will say Kadoba, Nasa Kodoba, or some Malquankra, Bonabedi Amir Murillo, Brand events a 7 could channel to form. I'm a ref events a Glenn Nieberg from Sweden. Or Sebonia Foul, Yamo Frontier, my Ghana. Omobo mabre Amerbua Umbrabia Wabre into a Dawati now make a crania medium Ukrainian second half now. Ghana Modemona on Kekano was so boys linear break away no more to Mibia and the Jonas Ejete head and in you when you win Kwame you so unlike your Arabian Fanchain Messi baby I will be a Nigerian Bompire Matino Nigeria go to Baba Ghana baby in game live commentary on your biggest platform of Pimswa 104.7 2026 FIFA World Cup live game coverage quality commentary now a higher and a Ubenyano Yabosiman Ediosunsia 76 minutes of action Akasimani Dunai 14 and in your video better so near the game at the BMO field your very center of attraction now Panama Kitabano, former Andres Andrade, on a brand of Rodriguez, a combine, Andrade, the partnership, Jonas Ejetache, where you want to feature, Nagana Mountain Berane, a brand of Thomas Asante, Erebona Senofu, Amabona Cotrashino, defending through Panama, the canal men of Panama, almost to the Black Stars of Ghana, change me Baba Koso. Change Baba Kosuntini Bejina Kakania confirm change now. A brand event say Kwesisibo crow from this year. Ono Baba ya brantia. Event say Elisha Owusu Edina Frimo. Kwesisibo body Marialo Viedo. One on Baba Shem Wabe AJ Oxelma Captaina. Event say Elisha Babaka Caleb Irenchiho. Ewon Finfio Ghana fans Nina Sorejina. Ewo BMO Field Omo Bompire. Omo Mwesteri Mo Bompire. Unsua Uwefia Nana Julia to Pimswa 104.7. Oh, enjoy the best commentary now. Mr. Fampai, but 30 minutes. You hear winning Giddy men come for Nadal. Game way, I must win you here. Lack near the winning game now. Now, Panama for the Bonepa. Giovanni Ramos Betmachana. Ya clipping a refuge forward. I'm a Panama. Refuge forward. I'm a Panama. Missing messages 0596 259444 0596 259444 and that's 0560180880 can kind of come out now. Panama for anybody bo Bonaka with striker Munchae Walusu Banama is America's Ghana Montana by the Fatawi Saku ya piano to baby Rafi Waja Faudi Amagana Fatawi Saku de Kakali Kama no Obani body ma Leicester City teams be brain and epe teams be brain and Dinechi we're winning foul Ediama oh my Ghana Jordan are you on the captain team now Kwesi Sibu when on the first touch or the Bona to Benkum so Gideon Mensah or the Bonama Antoine Semenyo play baby the pass na she Antoine Semenyo or ya tiashina so wa maintain fair massa we dino ye what touch on the body coach Jonas Ejete or the Bona to the first Marvin Sinaya or Sanso the Bona Bre Ejete now Ghana pass bon ewo fomwa Ghana paper ni ejuma now Bona be the branchia even said Jerome Poku or the Bonama Jonas Ejete for Ghana or Sanso the Bonama Jerome Tinobonichi Jerome the Bonnie Panenim or baby the Bonashe or the Bona Kunim Lankosha Jordan Ninsan Tumian Kanama Panama or Manababeje a brand event Azarias Luntoro or the Bonaman striker Jose Fajardo on the switch Bona Timina Sudebi one more pass near Mabona Cotrashana a throw for Ghana taken quickly now Bonikitan to one Semenyo or baby the pass na she Ghana phone in Yabre Ghana Manteno or Muyombe to me Biaso Mubenya Gono now Bona Kodini Faso Marvin Sinaya on the Kita Bono Sanso Bona Betri Bona Bedi Jonas Ejete the Bonama Jerome Poku now Pepa Pani Juma for Ghana to Mobuase Bona Sanso Akodia Prantia event Jonas Ejete with Chabone Tente onto the left hand side good control bound to one Semenyo he does well to keep that one in play or the Bonaba center circle Sibu or Sanso Bona Kama Prantia event Mensa where you Bona coach Ghana body no more creative chance and one is Yejina from wire pass that's a clever forward pass to Caleb Irenchi or the Bona to Abdel Fatawi Saku surrounded by two players Obetumi Akwana Debe Fatawi Saku idea na Nyejuma no we attacking through the Ghana we attacking through the oh my Ghana Yabosimani Edio watching 80 minutes Akasimani do 10 and in yere fire beto so na ye the game ye the Juma de nyina Banawe at the BMO field Toronto Canada and your venue and center of attraction countdown koso ye drew two Labrantie what to bona with box cinema on my pembono on my Cleboni and so eventually on my Baba Fabrantia events Azarias Londoro oba Munchona de Boneba London de Bonicochi o my Chabona sim now one echo Ghana Mantarabe for Calibirenchi, Watatibana Isaku, or the Bonus beautiful combination as a brand event Antoine Semenyo, the final pass on Koye, a brand event Giovanni Ramos, Roboboni said Tum, everybody for Choma Bonaco Trash and a throw, Ghana and Sanda Panama, Siamaruka say, Ghana the game of Guamaso, Ghana the person of Guamaso, Papa, Reverend Glenn Niebeck, Minim Adia complain was saying. on Osea countdown Wedru 3 now Ghana Fana to Bonabedia Branch Events Jonas Ejete on so spread the ball onto the left hand side now Gideon Mensah or the Bonama Semenyo Semenyo Antimanche Ama Branch Events Amir Murillo or the Bona Comaninia a Branch Events Londoro or the Bonuko to Fajardo now so the passing on Jumianco intercepted by Gideon Mensah on so the Bonuko now Ghana Mantena Akwesisibo Rebu Kwesisibo Obanebode Maria Loviero Crow from Tisha Crow from Haya and a Sibo free attach on the Kama now Ghana Mantena Betumia Kona Fatawi Sakuda Kalikaman one year's personal into Sansu Bonabetri now Pepa Pani Juma Jonas Ejete or the Bonama Sibo welcome to the Bonatana now Ghana Piaboro on so Bonache now so Gideon Mensah Tunianfa now Amir Murillo one manager Bonaco Center Circle now Panama Fone Boneba Bonabetumia Ghana that's a clever pass now whenever on my cross bonus so the Sibo were intercepted on the Kama watching Kwesi Sibo or the Bonama Jonas Ejete on so control Bonatana Ejete na the Bonaco Ejete Jonas Ejete on the Bonaco still now so Abrantana Dai Bonafinase ama Enerevise say waji throw them Panama Refaji through them Panama Matubon Tatam Samisa Panama for baby Drew okay with the draw energy on the starting game on Mateso now Bonacodia Brantia Evento Cordoba on the piano Bonacoma Giovanni Ramos de Boneco Opia open options open baby the pass now Panama on the Boneba on the short touch Bonaso Ghana Mantana Miomaje now Brantia Vensa Semenyo and then pass clear Semenyo and the pass on to me two was in Bonaco Trasher throw them Ghana Panama supporters now omo enjoy omo now we pia bono Kwesi Sibo bona finance na so manager kada we pia bono de bonato benkum so now ni saka Marvin Sinaya or the bona Fatawi Sako no so ntimi antwe Ghana wingers na omo back game no no omo the new energy no mo no omo san so akọ off kakra Omasanso ako off kakra ya bosimane edio watchimiensa 83 minutes played akasimano so and in here referee beto so ya the game ne beba na wie ye omatobo ni yirenchi or the bona ma branch event Kwesi Sibo the bona to benkum so now Gideon Mensah on the bona banka krakra former player ma Wafa former player ma and Red Bull Salzburg and the ejuma ma AJ Oxe Gideon Mensah jinabonechi or the bona ma Sibo na the bona ba ono so former player ma FC Urartu ewa Armenia former player ma Watford former player Edema Real Betis former player Edema Amori Bieta and Neno Oyejumadema and Real Oviedo Ghana on cross the border and Kobebia ama Enebona Betrash and attacking through the Ghana Fatawi Sakune Kokotubo Nemo Wachenho ama Marvin Sinaya one Beto na Sinaya Eban Watone Boase Kurefina started countdown referee when you about Wadru 3 Wadru 2 and Eba Koma to one tatam so now Ghana Mantana Sanso Ibona Betrebium Bonabedi Jonas Ejete Pia now Bona Korea Branch Event Jerome Poku Jerome de Bona to Benkum so the left hand side now Gideon Mensah Biem on the Kitabono for Ghana to Sibo back to Mensah Pepa Yojuma or multi putty passes now lovely pass from Mensah to the captain Jordan Ayu wa controbono Jordan Betuma Bana Marco Miana Jebono now Panama Fono a Branch Event Carlos Harvey wa Piama the captain a Branch Event Enero omo epio mania bre papa and Yasan Ketori Boni Konimo a Branch Event Alebiwe a Branch Event Londoro on the Swapia Edibona command captain a Brantia Event Yoel Barcinas on the Ribonico wa Piabona to the left hand side Andres Andrade on the Kitabona Panama was answering across the beam Nasu Jonas Ejeta Ibona Pie a Branch Event Sibo Antimi a shortness so that they went in trouble goalkeeper Benjamin Asare into a Sobon himself to cheer Adama or my Ghana Benjamin Asare goalkeeper was so him say to Chono and the only local player our Ghanaian squad mo Benjamin Asare Bonnie ball and the crowd to folk on Kwa and the player of Ghana ha our Black Star squad for the 2026 World Cup yan Twaswe Yabosimane Edio watching room 85 minutes of action Ghana should be Panama or should be live commentary up him so 104.7 now Panama Fonepa a Branch Event Giovanni Ramos or the Bonama Jose Cordoba also Epia Cordoba or the Bona Tubenkumso Andres Andrade or the Bonnie Panama the passing to me on so still or the Anyani player now Panama on the Bonnie lovely 10 or the Bonama Caesar Blackman Caesar Sanso the Bonnie coach now Bona Korea Branchia your friend Jose Cordoba was Sanso Bonnie coach Kra Edia Kokomani goalkeeper we a Branch Events Orlando Mosquera to Giovanni Ramos or the Bonama Branch Events Carlos Harvey Sanso the Bonama Giovanni Ramos on the Bonnie Konim Ghana Mantana Jabona from him now Bonabedi Caleb Irenchi good control Caleb Irenchi Akwadanu Nimbobo or the pass na to Kalikaman wako Tiashe Fatawi Isaku de Bona Kopimo into the Panama Fana Rabeje or Masanswari getting possession Abrantia Bamunche Londonu Onekita Waiboni Konichi Edibonama Amer Murillo de Bona Coacheri Edibona Kama Brancha Vance Giovanni Ramos on spread on to the left hand side Jose Luis Rodriguez or the Bonama Caesar Blackman Caesar Betumachiana now Blackman watch Kamakama open baby the pass Caesar Blackman or the Bonama captain Abranda Vance Yoel Barcina to Abrantia Vance Carlos Harvey back to Barcina the captain Panama for Nediboneba now what the Bonachim on the right hand side Abranda Vance Londoro up across Iomo Robot Cinema a chance them Panama where you wanna play Abran captain no about shortness over the body goes I'm a bona contrast and a goal kick captain here final and the Yoel Barcina and why you game papa Minka Fanada and Prince Kwabinedu former player my Betemi United and the Juma Victoria Pleasant our Czech Republic Prince Kwabinedu Wababe captain Jordan Ayu and in a female Ghana Yensisa, Jordan are you a film now? Prince Kwabina Duapa, Yenshe, or Baba Conjo Magic Nama Ghana na Anka Kruma Bede, Papa, Minka Fanada, Yantua Jumediniso, Fama Boni, a goal kick, Ghana Body Panama, goalkeeper Benjamin Asari Bakumiansa, with Chaboni Tintin, Tirbonachimo, a Trikumse Panasibu, Waflekibono, now Brendan Thomas Asante, or Tachibon to nobody in particular, Panama for Boni Setum, now Brandon Jonas Ejeti, on back to center. Bonabedin Finfi, Panama Fonagio, Yoel Parcinas, or the Pasna to Panama Foneba. Now Brantel bit Machina, number 10 Shetta, or the Nafaswa Sheki of Nemaka, or the Bonapi Parcinas, the captain, or Controboni, was Answa Tachibori Coaching, Andres Andrade, a Brantel in a home cross. This time the cross and Amma, Ghana Mantana Pimbonapi, now Bonabedia Prantia, Yevense Kwesibo, no one tene, Sibo Vini Bono, or the Bonama Fatawi Saku, with Pierre Macalibirenchi, Panama Fonamiana, a good one from Fatawi Saku, with Chaboni Tenten to the Bonachimo, a Brendan Thomas Asante, or Contribono, Wakatin, Brendan Thomas Asante, or break away, you cannot revenue interested, or see Antoine Panama, or Moneboneba, a Brendan Ventose Kodeba, or Soneboneba, a Prince Kwabinetu, one dimension, or a defender, watching about the do anymore, was Answa Chiboni Coaching, now Panama, or Monekitabona, Brantia, Evans Alex Murillo, or the body confirmed from to the captain, a Brantia Venta Barcinas, on Uswapia, Andres Andrade, that's a clever pass, Ghana Mantana Ibona Pie, ball back to Panama, Yabosimane Edu watching 88 minutes, Akasimane Mienu, and in your referee to show, Panama Fona Sanswa settle, Omedio Gugana so, Oma Crossbono. Nanso Branda Vesa Jerome Claire, Bono properly clear so, Havian Tuna Faboniama, Antoine Semenyo, lovely control, Prince Kwabinadu, Adano, or the person tour, now Ghana and the Bonico, Antoine Semenyo, the person a chance for Ghana, Brendan Asante, oh, Wabana goalkeeper Ateno, Brendan Thomas Asante, Wabana goalkeeper Ateno, now so outside eventually, outside it here, Brendan Thomas Asante, no one born in your outside crank out, what a mess this would have been. Brendan Thomas Asante around the Chiana Okama. Owiano Bobo ni shake on him. Anya Sanke Tuakra. Hey Ghana, yenya chances here. Okobobo keep on Viano and a revenue so Krana outside that into offside. And Yasanke Tuakra born in your cutting kama beating a maka. And a board up in the BBS Tatiana Copper foul and so clearly you born in him. Panama funny baby change. Number 20 shattered man. One on a baby Shemdiama Panama. Anibal Godoy. Wababe number 2 versus Caesar Blackman dinner fimo. Anibal Godoy. One on a bar. Wababe Caesar Blackman. And enough for game anymore. Yabo Simane Edu Wachenko. 89 minutes. Akasimane Bakuni near a Filiberto so. Naya the game in Bonaria Mese Panama. World Cup Mumbo draw crowder. And able to make the first time Amunya Drona. Chasa win Kromunya Bina Campus Omaba draw. Omunya drum poda 2018 na mobile na omu 3 matches nini na omu nisuye nini na yeso mo ene like so metima na omu first draw omu first point at the World Cup ama na ye tima edio kron 90 minutes na so revision mo simani 6 minutes and fanka on after 6 minutes Ghana say anya go and I say tenatena oma Panama be so go dia ene asembe so kroma o Fatawi Saku de Kalika man wakolu subono Ghana mantene ji ani emi omo age cheaply. Yet Omo Jebona and I say a new Majebona Fala, Omo microphone and Brakra, Young Toss will be and Shebi, Panama and Shebi, Ghana and Shebi. This is the moment. 6 minutes additional time and all any elbow. Young Toss went up Panama, Omo Neboneba. Panama phone the ball now what the ball be to Abrantia your friend is and then have the ball manini on so spread the ball the ball break Giovanni Ramos Panama Kitabono Fomua they are putting passes among themselves in their own area in their own zone Abranavence Ismail Diaz on the ball Diaz play the ball mano with trouble the 10 Jose Luis Rodriguez welcome to Bona Sodabe Oma Ibona Mabona Cotros and a corner Edema Panama phone and your corner Panama nya corner Simonsiana referee to so ni abomu bako Panama fans ne eji omu place na oma sore ti no mo bojo omo so bo na corner edema Panama baby eduru na wose Ghana ya man marking e wose Ghana twa no mo fa play bia eni kwa so mu gire wanye sade a bibi betuma si bo na corner de ma Panama Simonsiana referee to so ni abomu bako akasiba no numia the game na the juma de ni nyina ba na wi at the BMO Field Toronto omatwa kona na simo Abranda Vincent Jerome Poku using the height and kama ayibona piona so Panama Mountain give you up Antoine Samuel Kocha ama ended up with finish one foul and Manu Yanya she Abranta no so engine Alex Modebu Amir Murillo Ghana Mountain Boni so to the benefit Edena Brendan Thomas Asante na conflict era ma Prince Kobina doing Saint-Domingue kana now Panama will take over Panama found the one Basibo Atebono or the Bonama Thomas Asante Brendan Thomas Asante or options or the Bonama Fatawi Saku the Kakali Kaman Fatawi Saku your options on Kwani Pabeniansa now when you're back Marvin Senaya or cross the ball na Sudabi on my Pimbona P Panama Fono on Kitabona from Mama Flicky Bona Junior Kwako Trashano a through the Magana Bonnie attacking through the Black Stars of Ghana Simon Siani Abomino Akasimana 9 yeah the game never Bonavia at the BMO Field Bonnie through Marvin Senaya Watubona Betri Bonabi Jonas Ejete on Utinabonechi Wopia Edibona Majeromo Poku or control Bonatana quickly or release it to Gideon Mensah onto the left hand side of attack Antoine Semenyo and no one said more game cry and no why of Papa make up for another Jerome with trouble or Chafata Isaku Bibiatas and Nuo Panama Fona Ibona Pie Bono properly cleared on my Flickobio Sibu Wabedi Bona Diamatana Wopia and Amakaleb Irenchi and Irenchi why discipline Papa Onya Elio Kada no Bion himself Anshani film time Nemuno Abranta be beata so bebo game na pon wa ye juma fifi opa yan to so Bonnie attacking through Gideon Mensah what to them Prince Kobina do now Prince Kobina do a fight Kobina do a channel revision referee ye chobi on je foul na Panama for the Bonnie pa Ismail Diaz open baby pass na share now what touch boni coach and so the one come Brandon Vincent Godoy Obamunche what touch one to come back to Ismail Diaz now Panama Epia Simon Siana Yabomu Miensa aka just 3 minutes to wrap up things at the BMO Field live commentary on your biggest platform of Pimswap 104.7 now Ismail Diaz Wakati up across I am Marvin Senaya or some man kwane so mabitino and Kofana cross now so be anywhere across the face of goal now Ghana will take over Gideon Mensah de Bonepa with Chabone de Bonachemo Kwesisibu Kalibiren Chiafa Watatabono Ghana on the attack Abranta Vincent Semenyo or the Bonasho Brendan Thomas Asante Brendan Fabona Yasha Thomas Asante Robert Simo a chance for Ghana a chance for Ghana a chance for Ghana Ghana, sir, the Black Stars have taken the lead at the BMO Field. Got in here, a goal. Me catch us Thomas Asante for Boyas of Faboni Robert Cinema or the Bonnet by no Tony Boise and a cross bono and a Caliburenchi. Go there, Ghana. First goal on your tomb. What a time to score. Hey, Mesa we are Ghana near Bompire, Yabawini. Me catch her on Yatidie, Bompire. First goal on tomb. Oh my Ghana. A goal. Yes. This is how it means. Ghana se come for Natal. Menim sabana solo kuru beshasie. Muna muni sadia samubua. Ghana vobe plombe ki. Hey, ave mumrambe yekemre ni anko. What a time to score. What a time to score. Believe it or not, Nico, Ghana 1, Panama 0.
ɛyɛ den a coach na ready game no enti second half yɛ ba no ɛyɛ den a ɔbɛba aba benya win na de amaye enti ampa me mehu sɛ coach ni me ka sɛ obe ready game no na we substitute na na yɛ de ba na initial na yɛ ka renchi asɛ na me ka sɛ ama me ka sɛ renchi card na wadi no enya effect ɛwɔ ne so o ya me ne Eugene Komodi me ka sɛ renchi card na odi yɛ no enya effect wɔ ne so because game no who ne sɛ ne tackles na no ɔde kɔ no ana alimit na emom no ne ball na ɔbɔ ne de ɛnoa no kudos to the boy say o my ade papa ati say we delete ya mana kɔnkyɛn na ram say ase we kan ni na
what a time to score 6 minutes na so Simansiana refi to so na so enti any moment from now yet me pon man ye yirenchi ko sani Chelsea no and sate bibisa yes Kalibi Renchi my man of the match. Yes, Mumbonti almost Mumbonti boys in Somalia Tuba. Ghana Fonsi na Soretino, Biamo Field, and Perifoni now, Samus Sayura, Asante Henry Tumfo, or Sai to Tosumi the second. Our stadium, Ghana shot, now Panama Foneba, any moment from now, Revis a sign, what's the sign that be, or so many other Simon Sanity, so any moment from now, if you are born out, when you came up on a year. Any moment from now, total disappointment on the faces of Panama supporters now. Meaning some pass there all attacker Omunina Nekono Kodoba with trouble on the 10-10 to the Bonaremo. Our Ghana Fonaswe, Ghana Mantana Pem, Bobby Mame Senior, Bobby Mame, what we need to do Ghana now. They'll be born here to them Panama, Panama, Simansiana. So any moment from now, the Philip Paul Gabriel will be to my Panama on the last chance. A brand event, Alec Arabia, Amir Murillo, or the call for a long throw. What about the 10-10 to the Bonacobo Cinema, Ghana Mantana Pembona. Now Bonabaso Prince Cobinetu one Trawati Prince Cobinetu Naso Refati de Tiano. Oh Prince Cobinetu consider throwing being a foul you are more now 6 minutes in the Nina so Amaya Trako about 7 minutes in pool. Panama for a chance. Ghana Mountain and Shannon game Ghana Shabako Panama to take out 2026 FIFA World Cup live commentary of PIMSWA 104.7 and 1 year wide quality commentary in Abramo Bonnie Fiki Karima Panama. I'm a fast and bumper. I'm a goalkeeper. Goalkeeper Venta Orlando Mascara. On a swab box anymore. Baby, I drew him. She showed bumper. Magana. Captain Kabana Simo. Keep on up him. Benjamin Asare. Omobeti Asare Amagasa. Munchro Masensu Mema Yapo. Moya Dembe. We are doing the 3 points in the court. Moto 2 points crying fire and Famun Kobe Biamobua. Benjamin Asare cover ball what Dasso. Yes, I am Man City no Munfuru, Mobo Venezuela and Ade. Munjaria Munchete and Yasamu Namuko Baby Tina. Oh my Ghana, oh my Kron Ghana. Ghana Sabako, yes. Referee yellow card at number 14 shutter. A brand Evanta and Nero Harvey. Edema Panama, 1 yellow card. Time and so. Asokrama ya bomi roka ko emi ansa kona ne wo free kick ni o mu peta ma keep anu di ti bobo ni mu pemo wo bi akwana free da power free da power o he de se ben o he de Benjamin Asare nsemo DJ Kingsley we via one ene na call as na bedi etire zuho Joe crack and they just we one rock Ghana say o ya de pass o ko ro sari o if you are there stadium wire there Ghana be there Benjamin Asare da should have form or by the one your back crowd. I mean, come for Natal. Gideon Mensah, Jordan Freeman on the court, captain and Bandaboy. Any moment from now, Messi and you free header. Hey, and I'll call you this Benjamin Asare in some. And Yasan Ketua, Anna, Benjamin Asare is soon editing you. Hey, don't muni to say a TNT, what TNT, Eka game in a hot. Refi with a pony and Korefi, Pona and Kochi Soloku, Yankosimo Masa. And next Zamani Solo Kupa the Koswa Ghana no and Yasan Ketua Ghana Sebako Panama take on a terminate Suda da. The only thing I can say Rafi Avanza Glenn Nieberg from Sweden. Obabona Bemudi Chumadiana Bonawie and on a Ghana Libya train and a Ghana Libya air train. Revi Simansiana Toso about 10. You about 10 minutes and Yasan Ketua. What a game this has been for Ghana. What a game this has been for Ghana. Benjamin Asare was saying. Benjamin Asare sorry Gina Panama for a total disappointment. Omoja Papa coach and they just can't believe it. Fanisana yehe Czech Republic ranking world number 2 kwa yeseno wati asiyano no goal kick de Magana bako Mierunyasa Benjamin Asada Bobona Simse tente etu comme c'est panyai bona banso abiti refina aden refi time na so uhuana yanto aswe na wana de bona ba refina si ambo prince kwabina du ya sanso ajebona finisem na Panama fona babeje Ghana mantena surrounded Kobina to perform crowd to do yanto atubede ni sebona ya foul amababo ni chatam so arefi time na so ade uhuana yanto atubede ni so enkofana sanso atwabona ababo tiribo bona bounce Gideon Mensah hweye na Branton de bona PF box ni ma Panama fona attack Branton control o sanso pe cross aye Ghana mantem ye no mse amale kwan Gideon Mensah ma Branton fa yes Gideon Mensah ya dia wa guide bona kama Rafi clean me back from Sweden. Wasabona baby say young for Jumede Nijina. It's all over at the BMO Field Road, Toronto, Canada. And after full time, the Black Stars of Ghana Dinkurim Yashabako, Panama Montubante, Khaled Irenchi, Onu Enenya Kono, Erema Ghana. Yes, look at the celebration at the stadium. Ghana fans now in joyous mood. It's all over, yes, at the BMO Field Road, Toronto. Ghana 1, Panama 0. Eugene Kwame Anane made the win now, Bantino. Fadia Ghana to us.